we have Saiyam Mehra of Unique Chains as well. Gentlemen, I thank you so much for joining in. I understand when it comes to the Indian markets, there's been a big buying that we already have seen in the month of October. A lot of people do buy for their weddings around those auspicious days as well. But during November and January, as everybody seems to be expecting, estimating, what are the numbers that perhaps you are working with and what really seems to be doing quite well right now?
So I think, Manisha ji, when the wedding sales is 6.5 lakh crores, about 10% or 15% is realistically sold as in the gem and jewelry sector. And I also think that the buying which was there in September, October for the upcoming wedding, when the gold rates were increasing, surprisingly the families for the wedding buying started buying during the Diwali time. After Diwali, the next 10 to 15 days, we have not seen the sales pick up to that level, but we are expecting it to become better. Now the rates, since the rates are coming down, they've come down to $4,040 or 1,22,000 as MCX. So we are seeing that the demand has reduced temporarily, and we are looking forward that the demand will slowly increase in maybe starting of December or for about 5 to 10 days, and then again in January it will start increasing. But the majority of the buying which is there in the end consumer has already been purchased in the maybe in October and September month, and right now still the leftovers or little buying on the end of the families is happening right now. But overall we are expecting it to be very positive. The second quarter was very positive for most of the gem and jewelry sector, and the third one, what we are looking at, maybe from the last year in the value wise we will see an increase, but I don't see any increase in coming in the volume wise.
Talk to us about trends as well, Saiyam, because we do understand that India still buys 80-85% of its gold in physical form. And within that as well, it almost is 60 to 70% that we see being bought as bridal jewelry for weddings itself. When it comes to that, are we looking at people sticking to 22 carats? Is it 20, 18, 14? A bride clearly, or the overall wedding as a segment already has a lot to choose from. So what caratages seem to be working this time around?
See, I think 22 carat, 18 carat and 14 carat, all the three caratages are working, and it depends upon how much a person wants to spend. If you go to see in Maharashtra, you will also see 24 carat jewelry working. Maybe 24 carat Mangalsutras, some kind of rings are working. In the south side, people are accepting only 22 carat, whereas in the northern side, when you go to see in UP, Bihar, Haryana, that side 18 carat is working. When it is coming to CZ and diamond jewelry, 14 carat with rose gold, people are accepting more. The reason is that they want more value of diamond and less value of gold. So I think, overall, as per se, the people who are very price sensitive in the northern part of the country, they are going forward for 18 carat. And I would also like to say that 80% of the jewelry which is being sold in India is basically gold or gold studded jewelry. So I think in future also, as the prices have given such excellent returns and excellent buyback for in future for also the bride and the family. So I think this trend will also keep on moving ahead.
What are your plans going forward from here? And since we have you with us, what is your sense also on the gold prices going forward?
See, I think going ahead, the gold price this month in November should maybe increase to about $50 to $70. But overall this year, and I see that the gold prices might drop to $3,900 or 1,18,000 approximately. The reason is that looking at the US shutdown, it has just opened up. The job claims data is going to come today, and the other jobs data is coming. Inflation is in control, I see. And then there is a slack, and in December for the 15 days, from 10th to about 25th or 30th of December, there is less business and less volume. So I see gold rates subsidizing a little bit. It is going to be a great time to buy for the end consumers. And I think, but still in December, people are focusing more on holidays and other things, but no less on jewelry. The rates are going to be very positive, and old gold jewelry exchange, which has been great in October this year, I think the trend will also continue and will increase slowly.
Saiyam, what are plans 2026?
See, we at Unique are, of course, we're expanding our exports also, and the domestically also. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are seeing more growth when it comes to sales of gold jewelry. And the buying power is also, we feel at Unique, is more in these areas. And we are looking at lightweight jewelry, which is coming from 2 grams to 8 grams to sell. And also during particular season in April and during Diwali next year, 2026, every 6 months we launch our new collections when it comes to lightweight, rose gold, or heavyweight bridal jewelry. So year on year, something new. Every 6 months we try to show to our end retailers, and that will keep on continuing with Fusion also. And going ahead, we're focusing on gold, very much on gold, Kundan Jarau, and we would like it to stay that way.
All right. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining in on a very important subject, wedding season, and what more do you splurge than on jewelry, and whether it's gold and silver and diamonds, and so much more options coming in for the buyers there. Appreciate your time here at CNBC TV18. Thank you so much for watching.